Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I have a couple of Etsy shares, and I wanted to go ahead and get these done this morning, just in case you want to order some of the Christmas, because both of them I think are Christmas. This is from Erin and Michelle from ePaperie. Let's see. 12 Days of Christmas Embellishments Sampler Pack. That must be this. Second, I printed out my Christmas sentiments digital on a variety of papers for you. I hope you have some fun with it. Third, Mom created some flower paper clips, and I thought they were cute. I had to toss some of those in as well. I hope you are having a fall filled with blessings and good memories. As we turn our attention to gratitude this month, I want you to know that we are so grateful to you for everything and feel blessed to count you among our friends. Much love, Erin and Michelle from ePaperie. Thank you guys so much. That's so sweet. All right, here, look at these little flowers. These are the ones I really, really love. Now, I don't have this little tiny punch. I think that's the one I'm missing. I have some of these bigger ones, but aren't they cute? And they're clips, so you can put them on your package. You can put them on your pieces of ephemera or clip them on just your journal. Now this is the little sampler pack that they have, and they do have them for sale in their stores. A lot of you have probably already purchased these. Like I said, Erin, I apologize a bunch for not getting this already up. It has been kind of wild and crazy around here. Look at that, how cute. And it is a clip. It'll slide on your page. That is so cute. I love that. And then all of these little Christmas goodies. That tucks down in there. So that is cute. Oh, look, the little angel. And it is material. And she has slow stitched, it looks like. Very, very pretty. And this is looks like a tea bag. Yep. And she's got a little charm on it. Some bling down here. And then, oops. There we go. And then a little piece inside. Let me pull this out. This is hanging. There we go. She got a little tag inside. And then two little charms clipped on there. Aren't they cute? Okay. Here's another little piece of their material ruffle. Very cute. A little material cluster. Love that. These are going to look really, really good in the journals. Oh my goodness. How did you do that? It's a paper clip, but I think they've curled the ends. See that? Isn't that cute? And another little, let's see, is this a clip? Maybe this is just something you glue on. And they've got a little thing right there. Isn't that cute? And here is another one. The little charm on the dangle there. And then more of these little flowers. These are so cute. That she, I guess, crocheted. And then here is a little pocket. Oh, let's see what this is. How do you do this little pocket? Oh, it's an expandable little pocket. See? They've expanded it. And then it's got another little flip up here. Okay, so it's got a flip up here, but there's no pocket. And then it's got a pocket back here. And that closes down. This wraps around. And then you can tie it up like that. Isn't that cute? Like that. Oh, and these are these clips. What are these? Let's figure out what these are. I'm having trouble talking this morning. They are, oh, they're stick-ons. You just stick them on your projects with glue or a pop dot, whatever you have. All right, and then this is the paper. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Look at that. And that's printed on a very good quality paper. And then this is printed in a different color. Looks like that's just blacks and whites. There's red. Oh, and it's on vellum. Pretty. And then this is a different paper. It's a thinner paper. Oh, look at this in vellum. That's very pretty. And then, oh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Vellum. And then, let's see. Words. We always like words. Labels. Christmas labels. Yay. I needed a few more of these. Oh, these are nice, too. They're just the right size. Oh, me. Look at that. I love all three of them. All three colors. I'll be able to use those in our journals. All right. That, again, is from ePaperie. And you guys go over. I'll put the link below. Y'all go over and check them out. Fantastic company. Mother and daughter. Kind of like our company is. Alright, let's lay that aside, and then we'll go to this. This is from Terry's Paper Creations. A lot of you guys have asked me where that little page come from that had that little mouse on it. Terry's Paper Treasures. Terry's Paper Treasures. Right there's her card. And that is on Etsy. There are a couple of Christmas papers I've been working on and will be in the shop by the time this gets to you. The seam binding I carry in the shop. The majority is hand-dyed. I'm still in process of listing them. I appreciate your support. And let everyone know the mouse paper is up on Terry's Paper Treasures. I know after I used it, a lot of you went over to try to find the mouse paper, and she had not finished everything on that kit yet. I didn't know that when I used it, but it's finished now and it's up. Thank you again, and hope your Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays are blessed with the remembrance of the season. Yes, absolutely, Terry. Thank you. All right, here is her seam binding. Look at that. And this is hand-dyed, she said. Those colors are gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Now, this one. Let's see what the name of it is. Okay, I don't know. Let's see if she tells the name of this one because I'm not seeing it on her notes. Joy to the World, the first Noel. So, I'm not seeing it on her notes, but I'm sure you can find it. Love it. Isn't it cute? And thank you, Terry, for putting this on the back of them. That will help me a lot, keeping track of whose is whose. That is so pretty. I don't think she told me the name of this one. No, it just says a couple of Christmas papers, so I'm sure you can find them in her shop. I will list her shop below. Isn't that pretty? Silent Night. Ooh, I love that page. I love all of them, but that page, just something about it I like. Okay, and then this. Ooh, is this one complete kit? There's her name on her Etsy shop, if you can take a screenshot of that, but like I said, it will be linked below. This is for Brooklyn or any younger children, grands you have. There is a brighter shade on Betty's Facebook that is a freebie. Hope she can use it to make her own thankful journal. Oh my goodness, you sent this to Brooklyn? How sweet. Look at that. Brooklyn will have a time with this. Oh my goodness. That's so sweet. Thank you, Terry. And then this is her other Christmas one. Look at that. And you know this is going to go in a journal. And the paper that she prints this on is nice paper. Terry, let us know below what kind of paper this is. You may have let me know before, but I know I'll have lots of questions. So make sure that you let me know below. This all looks like it's just been painted. It doesn't look like digitals, as it doesn't look like images. It looks like painted images that she has painted and put on here. I don't know if she did or not, but they look like watercolor. So pretty. I love it. Oh, this is a big kit too. Very big kit. Oh, that's pretty. That's in a different color. And that one with the ledger paper behind it is really pretty. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. Look at that. Gingerbread houses. Wow. Dashing through the snow. You did a great job, Terry. So pretty. Okay. Merry Christmas. I love it. Alright, and then some tags. And then I guess these could be little journaling cards or little ephemera, whatever you would want to use them for. I love the colors of these. They're bright. And then there's a pastel one too. Alright, again, that is Terry's Paper Treasures. If I say creations, forgive me, Terry. I have some that are creations, some that are treasures, some that are... Alright, so let me go back to that Brooklyn page. I'm going to pull that out so that I don't forget to give it to her, because she'll have a fun time with that. Alright, this is the Brooklyn page. And she says there is, let's see, there's a brighter shade on Betty's Facebook. But anyway, thank you so much, and I'm sure Brooklyn's going to have lots of fun with this. She loves cutting, so she'll have fun cutting all this out. Alright, okay, that's the only two Etsy shares I think I have right now. So you guys go over and check out ePaperie. That was this one, and Terry's Paper Creations. I will put both of those links below, so you can go over and check them out and go ahead and purchase your Christmas goodies from them. Alright, we will talk to you guys later. Very short video, but I've got a few pieces of Happy Mail, but I want to put those in another video and not the video with the Etsy shares. I'm probably going to start separating the Etsy shares and the Happy Mail. It's just a lot of people, you know, these are companies that need your support, so I don't want to mix those in with the Happy Mails. So just to let you know that. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit for the drawing. We're going to do the drawing for Katie's giveaway that she sent, and then the drawing for the $50 gift card to the store. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.